1/4 mile.
What's up, YouTube? About to give you guys a POV, a night POV. I'm driving the SI. Turn this heat up a bit. I'm defogging the windows right now. Just give me a second. Yo, you guys gotta like this video right now for the video I last posted yesterday for basically having the fastest stock 8th gen. I can't even talk right now. Having the fastest stock 8th gen SI on basically YouTube. 14.93 in the 1/4 mile in the streets. So yeah, it's the fastest on YouTube. I checked all over YouTube. I checked on social media, so I couldn't find anything that anybody doing 14.9 in the streets or faster at all. So technically I got the fastest stock 8th gen SI all over YouTube right now. So you leave a like down below for that. Leave a like. I'm not gonna talk a lot in this video because I want you guys to enjoy the VTEC noises and stuff. So once we get to the spot that I'm gonna be cracking VTEC on that, I'm gonna stay quiet and just let you guys enjoy what you guys are gonna see. Hopefully you guys get a clear view. I know with GoPros, the views at nighttime is kind of, you know, like it's hard to see at night, you know, compared to daytime. Obviously the video quality is not all there, but stick with me and hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna try to pop a lot of VTEC in Mexico, and I'm gonna take corners for you guys. I want to do this in the morning, the same video, but in the morning. So for now, this is basically gonna be a sneak peek of what I want to do for you guys. What I want to do for you guys on the upcoming video. So yeah, I'm heading to Mexico right now. Once I get to Mexico, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I mean. I'm gonna take curves really quickly because this car is built for that. Now the tire pressure right now in the front is kind of a little bit too high compared to what I normally like it when I'm taking corners at the speeds I'm gonna take it today. But for today's purpose of the video, I'm just gonna leave it as is, so that way next time I lower the tire pressure and have everything set for you guys. Because tire pressure is very, very important when it comes to traction, when it comes to drag racing traction or cornering traction. If you have more tire pressure in the front or the back, it kind of helps to, you know, to tilt the back more, depending on how much air you got in the back, the front. You know, it's the same thing, vice versa. So yeah, tire pressure is very important. You know, people don't really think about that. They just leave the tire pressure at 40 psi, whatever, and then drive the car. Like, no, if you lower the pressure, it kind of helps, or if you raise it to a certain amount, it helps. Whatever, it all depends. Tire pressure is very, very important, depending on what you're trying to do with the car. So I'm gonna stop talking right now, and basically, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out the old videos before this, so you could see what I have been doing, what I'm talking about, which was basically I was trying to break the 1/4 mile record on YouTube, which is 14.93, and I finally got the 14.93, and I'm very, very happy with that. So yeah, check out those old videos. I do have a POV VTEC video on the morning. Check that video out too, and then come back to this one if you want. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share through all social medias. And your boy, you already know who it is. Adon is driven. And now let's go move on to the next clip, is what you want to see, and I'm gonna stop talking. for you guys real quick. Have it, guys. I gave you a little POV of what the car can do, how it can handle. It's raining outside, as you can see. It was raining, it was drizzling a little bit, so clothes was wet. The tire pressure was not quite where it needed to be. Like I said, I need to lower it for next video. I'll do that. For this video, I'm not. I don't really feel like touching and messing around with tire pressures right now. But as you guys can see, this car handles amazingly in corners. You saw me taking the corners like crazy speeds in Mexico. Yeah, all this was done in Mexico. It was not done anywhere not legal. This was all done in Mexico, so it was okay to do what I was doing, and the car was amazing. Performed amazing. VTEC, here in VTEC, taking the corners in that speed, it just feels amazing. This car is an amazing car for a stock car. Like I said, it does 14.93 currently in the quarter mile. I'm gonna try to get faster than that. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get way faster than that while being stock, because I don't want to do mods yet until I could get the fastest time I possibly can in this car while being stock. After that, then I'm gonna start doing mods to it, making it faster, make it handle better, etc, etc. Maybe do more crazier things in the future. We'll see how this car acts upon in the channel. We'll see how that goes. I still have a Go car that I plan on getting for the channel, which is gonna be way faster than my Scat Pack, way faster than this, way faster than basically everything I ever had. So just stay tuned for that too. But currently I'm using this to have fun with and to play around with, and this car has been nothing but fun and amazing and reliable daily, because I drive this car every single day and it has not let me down. I love this car. This car is the most phenomenal, fun, cheap car that you could buy for like 5K, bro. It's amazing. But anyways, I hope you guys like this POV. Night POV. I'm gonna try to give you more POVs like this, but if you do like POVs like this, leave me a like, comment down below, and share this to all social media so I might help my algorithm, because I need more likes in my videos in order for my videos to pop up on the YouTube feed, in order for me to keep growing. And subscribe to the channel if you're new, like I said. And basically, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, it's your boy Don is Driven, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props.